So when coming into the front of the court, I want you to try focus on a little mantra I use often, which is quick feet, soft hands. So someone's maybe thrown in a boast or they played a volley drop or a counter drop and the ball's sitting there ready to have something be done to it. And what I'd like you to try is quick feet, soft hands. So something like this, ball goes in, I'd have quick feet and I'd have really soft hands. Let me do a few demos in a row. So ball goes in, I'm quick feet, I'm soft hands. And I'm getting really low, really trying to use the speed of my footwork into the shot, and it's the momentum of the feet allows the softness in the hands. If you can get that right, you can really feather that ball. Again, ball goes in, quick feet, soft hands. And it's that final step that can really do it. So I'll feed a boast in there, so quick feet, soft hands. And with that, I've got quite a nice, positive, aggressive last step. So it's that quick feet, my feet work, I put in that last step quite positively, but as I do it, I soften up my back foot slide, but I really get my hands soft. I really am able to shape and butt that ball in. So give that a go next time you find that ball in the front of the court on either side. Work on the idea of quick feet, soft hands.